Learn English to Gujarati work words, Activity 2.
મૂલ્યાંકન.
Welcome to today's word adventure. Hey, you're about to learn some seriously useful English to Gujarati words, and yes, we will make them much less boring than an office meeting about staplers. Today you will meet 8 powerful words: activity, task, area of responsibility, state, procedure, process, result, and evaluation. In Gujarati, they are
પ્રવૃત્તિ, કાર્ય, જવાબદારીનો વિસ્તાર, અવસ્થા, વિધિ, પ્રક્રિયા, પરિણામ,
and.
મૂલ્યાંકન.
If one of them looks long, do not worry. Even long words become friendly after repetition. Just like cats become friendly when you open a snack bag. A very busy office. Let's jump into a silly little story so the words stick in your mind naturally. Listen for the Gujarati words and enjoy the chaos. On Monday morning, Rita walked into the office and found a giant poster that said, "Today's main
પ્રવૃત્તિ,
is staying calm." Nobody stayed calm. Her boss gave her one important
કાર્ય,
organize the files before the client arrived. But first, the boss explained Rita's.
જવાબદારીનો વિસ્તાર.
It included files, emails, and stopping the office printer from behaving like a dramatic poet. The printer's
અવસ્થા,
was not good. It made sad noises and printed one page that simply said, "Help." Rita asked, "What is the correct
વિધિ,
for fixing this machine?" The technician replied, "First, do not kick it. Second, follow the
પ્રક્રિયા,
step by step." After much effort, tea, and one motivational speech to the printer, the
પરિણામ,
was surprisingly good. At the end of the day, the manager completed a quick
મૂલ્યાંકન.
and said, "Excellent work. Also, please never give emotional speeches to office equipment again." Word by word, nice and clear. Now let's slow it down and make each word easy to remember. You've got this. Activity is.
પ્રવૃત્તિ,
Example. Exercise is a healthy.
પ્રવૃત્તિ.
Task is.
કાર્ય,
Example. The teacher gave us a.
કાર્ય.
Area of responsibility is.
જવાબદારીનો વિસ્તાર.
Example. Each manager has a clear.
જવાબદારીનો વિસ્તાર.
State is.
અવસ્થા,
Example. The machine is in a good.
અવસ્થા.
Procedure is.
વિધિ,
Example. Please follow the.
વિધિ.
Step by step. Process is.
પ્રક્રિયા,
Example. Learning is a slow.
પ્રક્રિયા.
Result is.
પરિણામ,
Example. Hard work often brings a good.
પરિણામ.
Evaluation is.
મૂલ્યાંકન,
Example. The report needs careful.
મૂલ્યાંકન.
Mini dialogue practice. Time for some short dialogue practice. You can repeat after each line if you want. A. What is today's main activity? B. Today's main
પ્રવૃત્તિ,
is group reading. Teacher. Please complete this task. Student. Yes, I will finish the
કાર્ય.
today. A. What do you handle here? B. My
જવાબદારીનો વિસ્તાર.
is client support. A. How is the room? B. Its
અવસ્થા,
is much better now. A. What is the procedure? B. In Gujarati, procedure is.
વિધિ.
A. How does this work? B. It is a simple
પ્રક્રિયા.
with 3 steps. A. Did the exam result come? B. Yes, the
પરિણામ,
came this morning. A. Did you finish the evaluation? B. Yes, the
मूल्यांकन,
is complete. Quick memory tricks. Here come a few playful memory hooks, because your brain likes stories more than spreadsheets. Think of
प्रवृत्ति,
as a busy day full of movement. Activity means something you do. Think of
कार्य,
like carry a. You carry out a task. Picture a glowing office zone for
જવાબદારીનો વિસ્તાર,
that is your area of responsibility. 4.
અવસ્થા,
Imagine checking the condition of a machine, a room, or your own mood before coffee.
વિધિ,
Is a staircase. One step, then the next. That is procedure.
પ્રક્રિયા,
Is the whole chain of steps, the full process from beginning to end.
પરિણામ,
Is the final outcome, the result after effort.
મૂલ્યાંકન,
Is careful checking, like a teacher reviewing papers or a manager reviewing a report. Funny quiz time. Let's see what stayed in your brain. No pressure. Even the office printer is rooting for you. What is the Gujarati word for activity? It is.
પ્રવૃત્તિ,
What is the Gujarati word for task? It is.
કાર્ય,
How do you say area of responsibility?
જવાબદારીનો વિસ્તાર,
How do you say state?
અવસ્થા,
What is procedure in Gujarati?
વિધિ,
What is process in Gujarati?
પ્રક્રિયા,
How do you say result?
પરિણામ,
And evaluation?
મૂલ્યાંકન,
Your final challenge. Now try to imagine your own little workday or school day using all 8 words. This is where real learning starts. You wake up and choose your first.
પ્રવૃત્તિ,
Then you begin an important.
કાર્ય,
You remember your.
જવાબદારીનો વિસ્તાર,
Check the.
અવસ્થા,
Of your tools, follow the correct.
વિધિ,
And move through the full.
પ્રક્રિયા,
At the end, you see the.
પરિણામ,
And do a quick.
મૂલ્યાંકન.
If you can picture that, you are not just memorizing. You are actually building language. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You learned useful vocabulary, survived the dramatic printer, and honestly that is impressive. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Go back, repeat the Gujarati words aloud, and use them in your own sentences.
પ્રવૃત્તિ, કાર્ય, જવાબદારીનો વિસ્તાર, અવસ્થા, વિધિ, પ્રક્રિયા, પરિણામ,
And
મૂલ્યાંકન.
keep practicing a little every day, and your English to Gujarati skills will grow step by step.